Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing two Topsy Tail hairstyles on my beautiful mama, so let's get started. So the first hairstyle, I'm just going to start by grabbing a section of hair and tying it off with a rubber band, and then I'm going to do a Topsy Tail. To make a Topsy Tail, all you do is you just divide the hair above the ponytail, make a hole, and then you're going to loop the hair through the hole and just pull it through. Now I'm going to make another Topsy Tail below it, but make sure to include the hair from the Topsy Tail above it into it, and I'm just going to continue doing Topsy Tails until I'm at the bottom of her hair. So this is the finished hairstyle number one. I went back in and I pulled it apart a little bit just to make it look more full. So for the second hairstyle, it's what I like to call a reverse Topsy Tail. You do the same exact thing like you would for a regular Topsy Tail, but instead of flipping it over, you flip it under. And now I'm just going to continue doing the rest of the hair just like that, and make sure to include the Topsy Tail above it as well. now I'm just going to go back through the Topsy Tail and just pull it apart to make it look more full. And this is the finished second Topsy Tail hairstyle. It kind of reminds me of a braid just the way it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.